Nice little river ride. I might regret not putting my coat on. Woohoo! Oh, I see all that queue line. Look, it's just obviously not busy today. It's still early doors though. It's only just gone 10:15 at the moment, so people perhaps are wanting to wait till later on before they get a soak in. But there's quite a number of water rides here. Most of them didn't go on, which is good. Well, that's a nice bit of audio there. Looks beautiful coming up here. Whee! Woohoo! I'm soaked! I've got a bow wave just come over the top of me. Feels nice. It was really hot though. Oh, there's the original train there. Nice to see. It's very much like the Thunder Mountain trains, and I quite like the individual trains now. Oh. Oh, this looks good. Oh, I like this. Aiden's got hands up. Oh, I'm gonna get soaked here. Oh, it's not so bad actually. It's the first one that did it.